I don't know, dude.
I think that's somebody fucking around with you.
I don't know who it is, shoot.
Somebody fucking around with you, nigga.
Say something back.
Dude.
Dude. Can I have my phone back?
Shut up, don't be talking about loud.
Sup, dude?
I ain't one of those dudes.
What did you say?
Shut the fuck up, dog.
What?
Shit, man, you talking about now.
I don't give a fuck, Xavier.
I'll fucking slap you.
You're forever looking at your MySpace.
I'm just looking at my
And you never redo your layout.
I did. This is my favorite layout.
But you need to change it.
I need to change it. I haven't even had it for a month yet. So shut your fucking mouth.
No, you've had that page for like since December.
No, I didn't. You fucking dumbass.
Ah, coño, malazoca, cabrón.
Don't ever call me nigga.
Can you give me my phone back for real, dog? Can I have my phone back, Jomar?
I ain't white, nigga.
Look at my pet.
I ain't white.
What is that?
It's my pet bat.
That's so ugly.
Yeah, right. That nigga's sexy, y'all.
Peace out.
Shut the.
Ah, coño!
Screaming.
Talking mad loud, nigga. This is my crib. You
I don't-
respect.
Yeah, Xavier, it's your house, and who's gonna say something?
I am. Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up. Welcome to my crib. You're forever listening to this gay song.
Yeah, for real. I think I know you.
Hey, baby.